Good afternoon, everybody. This is for Deliverable 1, Week 1, for our field day flyer. As we learned this week, we learned that communicating with color is extremely important. And for this project, my target audience are the parents and family of Central Elementary. So first, we want to take a look at what visual of the eyes of the audience. So what is the eyes focused on first? And I would have to say the color. The colors are the first thing that the eyes see. And the colors I used first was yellow right here. We have the yellow sun. And that is because this will make the audience think of spring, joy, freshness, the sun, all things happy. Next color I used was blue right here. Some in the dress, actually the writing is blue. This will make the audience feel a sense of freshness, calmness, coolness. Next color I also used orange. I actually like orange. The border is orange, the sun rays are orange, orange dress down here. And this brings energy, warmth, cheerfulness to the flyer. Another visual element of my flyer is the use of the lines. And I'm going to quote Lauren Riggs. She is an author of Visual Copyadics and Physiology. And she said that the sensitivity of the visual system can be assumed by determining the contrast of any given size objects. So there's a lot of balance here when it comes to the contrast of the size of the objects. So we have the writing, we have some sun up here, we have the kids down here holding the balloons. So there's good balance in the flyer. With this being said, what lines I used for some straight lines down here. Also the box over here. I used some curvy lines in the balloons, and I also used the thin, so they're not thick lines. With me using the straight lines, this created strictness of the flyer. Me using these curved lines over here, this is the playfulness, gracefulness that brings the kids are having fun, smiling, happiness to the flyer. And I chose to use the thin lines because this created an organized look. So if I didn't want to use the thick lines because I wanted them to focus more on the lettering than the lines themselves. So as I mentioned, that there is a lot of balance in this flyer. Different objects, different sizes, the wording, the colors. It's playful. The visual elements are very playful. They're engaging and targeting our audience. We want field day to be fun and happy. We want to encourage people to come. And this is what I think the flyer brings. So thank you.